channel, welcome. Right, today I'm doing a V-claw. I'm doing it in a design that I came up with myself a couple of years ago, so I'm going to share how it's done. It's a nice little design feature that goes on a, thinking of putting it on a corner of a claw, the corner of a stone, like that kind of size, the way the V splits off at the top. I think it looks nice. So I'll show you how to do it in this video. And this video is going to be for the patrons only, because YouTube, I'm feeling like I'm being bullied into continually making videos every day. And the problem with that is you're sort of pushing into doing more short, lower quality videos. And I don't like being bullied like that. So opposite to YouTube, if I don't do that, YouTube cuts my money in half. So I don't like being treated like that. So what I'm going to do is focus more on the patrons, the people who genuinely support me and make this channel possible to continue. So I'm going to do a lot more patron only content from now on. After 3 years or so, yeah, almost 4 years of continually uploading free stuff for YouTube. So you're welcome to go through all the old videos on the channel. They don't go out of date, it's all educational, it's all teaching how to make jewellery. But I want to focus more on doing more content for patrons only to reward the people who are genuinely paying me and enabling me to continue the video. So I'm going to give them more value and YouTube, free YouTube, a bit less value perhaps. So I guess say thank you to new patrons. Talking of patrons, we got Farnaz GBD, we've got Sean Abrahamson and Michael Casimatis. Thank you very much, guys. Again, patrons, not YouTube, enable this channel to continue. So I'm going to be doing more patron only content from now on. So if you want to become a patron and get access to all that, you need to visit patreon.com/diamondmounter. There's a link in the description anyway if you don't want to type that out. If you do join, you get shout out on the next upload. After you join, you get access to the new YouTube videos 2 weeks before they go public, and then official and classic patrons will get access to all the full instructional guides. So just from £10 a month, I think is really good value to get access to all this jewelry making content online. So yeah, I hope you do. Hope you check it out, and then enables me to continue these videos. So right, let's get into it. V-claw, let's go. So I saw this stone on my bench, and it gave me the inspiration to do this video for the V-claw, because the idea I've got in mind, I'm just going to guess halfway. Every time I guess half on something, it's always fun. If you always work telling yourself, oh, it doesn't matter this time, doesn't matter this time, you never practice in doing things to a high level. If I was making this, I would be getting my stone, holding it like that. Do I like how they're spread out? I wonder if I can take the sides off a little bit. Using your own design is very welcome. Like I'm here for sharing what I know and what I invent and everything. I'm happy for other people to use it. I don't claim any like rights to your jewelry if you learned something from me. It's all for you. So